In this video you will learn how to fix Cinema HD not working on your Firestick, how to fix it step by step, restart your Firestick. Restarting clears temporary glitches that may stop Cinema HD from working correctly. Check your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi is stable and fast enough for streaming. Clear Cinema HD cache and data. Go to your settings, then applications, then manage install apps and click on Cinema HD. Here, you'll be able to clear your cache and data. Update the Cinema HD to the latest version. Install the newest version to fix any bugs or compatibility issues with your Firestick. Use a different streaming link. If one source does not load, try another link inside of your app. Reinstall Cinema HD. Uninstall the app and reinstall it. If its problem continues, now you know. Cinema HD is not working on your Firestick. How to fix it step by step. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.